Hi, good morning. How are you? Hope you had a nice weekend and waiting for the next weekend to come. Today is Friday, the last day. Great. But for business owners, it's always working, always running behind tasks, running behind the team to get through, see how things happen, how you can achieve your goals, how you can achieve your targets. That's a major concern now. Okay, I've been talking about the issues that we as business owners find in running or managing a small entity or a bigger entity. A lot of our ideas, a lot of the works we wanted to be done doesn't happen within our required time frames. We have no track of what's happening, how it is happening. We have been discussing this in the last two videos. Here, I come in front of you with a small solution. It's not a very big application. A small cloud-based application which can be run from a server on any of the online cloud platform. I am not naming one of them. It can be AWS, it can be Azure, it can be a dedicated server on a dedicated platform, anyone. What happens here? We have a mobile application as a front end which runs on Android versions right from 10 to the latest versions. You have an option, you can create tasks for your team. You add in your team members to that. You create, it can be task or a job that needs to be done with a description of what needs to be done. With files, if you want, you can upload those. Also, set up a timeline when you expect the delivery to happen. Once that is done, the users, they get a notification on their system that a task has been allocated to you. We have a lot of questions on those. What if a task cannot be done by one man? I need a man of 4 people or team members, 4 members of them correlate to do that. How do I allocate? No worries. You send it to the team lead, you send it to your senior manager. The senior manager or team lead in turn allocates part of that task to the other team members as they deem fit, as they feel fit, who are capable of doing it. So it's a whole chain of actions. One task allotted by you has been further allocated to further members and with the deadlines, delivery timelines, and you have a bird's eye view of the whole task, the progress. People can update the progress that has been done, and the task is finished only when all the 4 members in the chain are updating it. Looks simple, feels simple, a small application, but how easy to manage, how easy to get the information, what you need. One view onto your phone, you know this many of the tasks are allocated, you know which are the tasks that has been pending the most, there is a reciprocal risk for you. You know which are the tasks that has been finished, who is doing it, all the information is available for you. Doesn't this sound interesting? Doesn't this sound worthwhile? Don't you feel it's worth reducing the time wastage that you have every morning in becoming the chief follow-up officer of the company rather than running your business? Don't you feel that? Let's be in touch. Let's see. I'll give you further informations. I'll set up some screenshots. Connect with me. I'll show you how the system runs. A fully customizable option. Interested? We can connect. I can help you out in reducing your time. Let's be in touch. Follow my YouTube so you know such technological updates coming for you. Small applications that can help you improve your productivity and thereby concentrate more onto your business, get more business and more revenues rather than doing the day-to-day mundane jobs or getting ourselves into the operations and running around not knowing where the business is going. We are trying to find a solution rather than we are trying to firefight daily on the grass fires that come every day in and out in our office. Every day we have a problem, we try fighting those fires rather than concentrating and doing something else. That's the major problem I have been facing. I used to allocate my team works, a lot of works in meetings, on messages, on emails. We used to send out notifications that this needs to be done. I have a meeting, I have a final delivery date for this. And finally there are 15, 20 tasks to allocate or 30 tasks allocated to different set of peoples. And finally I lose track. Unless the team comes back to me, this has been pending, many times I lose tracks. It comes out of my mind in the early morning and find, oh, this has been out for a few days. No idea. Then I re-follow up, sit in the morning, start following up, make notes. Let's avoid those chaos. Let's avoid those chaos. Let's do it easy. Let's make our life easy. Let's make our health comfortable. Let's have a nice health. No more tensions, no more frustrations onto doing the day-to-day operations. Let's do business. Let's concentrate more onto the business. Let the team do the work. Right? Let's be in touch. Nice meeting you all. We'll come back to you again with something else. Be in touch. Bye.